Oh boy. Hey and welcome. It's Mandy here, Mandy's Creative Touch. I want to thank everybody for being in this group here today and been following me for a while. I definitely have some bad news and I have some good news. Hopefully the good news will outweigh the bad news, and the good news kind of reflects because of the bad news. So hopefully you guys know who I am. I'm Mandy, like I said, Amanda Surgeon formally is my name, and I've been around in the one-stroke industry now for about 10 years, working my way up through all the levels, and proud to say that I am now a Master Director Certifying Elite, that I can definitely help you with all of your stroke work and plus get you certified too. So hopefully you've seen some of my videos on YouTube that I already have. I've been sharing about my website and growing that now for about 6 years now, and slowly, you know, changing things as things go, as they need to be, finding issues and trying to find solutions. I am not an IT person in any way, shape, or form. I definitely am all self-taught, and the website that I've been using has definitely given me a lot of easy plug-and-play options that I'm able to do that, and fancy options to build like membership platforms and access pages for you guys to be able to watch the videos on, which has been the number one thing that I kept hearing that prompted me to build that site. Was definitely you guys that were telling me that you can't save all of these videos. There's a lot of wonderful instructors, of course, all Donna's videos, you know, and then now mine. You know, there's only so much space that maybe you guys have in your vault to save all these videos. So definitely tried to make it easier for you guys. Still gave you the downloadable option for those that can, and through the years, definitely it's grown and grown and grown. And websites have a cap, guys. There's a memory bank in there too that I can build on, and there's only so many pictures and videos and pages that I can build on there, and they had the paid pages option for us so that you can get any course that you want, or jump on bigger 2-3 day ones, and I can plug all the videos all on one page. So through the years I started running out of pages and I built the club on my site. So that was a monthly membership, but I kept adding another video every month, and some of them are live, some of them are pre-recorded, and unfortunately a lot of them lately have been pre-recorded because of personal situations that are totally out of my control. I've had to deal with health and family health issues, and moving and getting relocated into a new town a couple years ago now. So I'm finally getting comfortable in my town, but definitely my home hasn't been easy to find apartments and places and good places. So I am going to be moving again, which is part of the bad news. December 1st, and so I'm going to be quite busy to be able to record anything or do anything for the club this month. So what I've done is moved one of my practice and paint ones out of the advancing club, out of the advancing library that I have, that you can jump on individual classes, and those are all mostly all the bigger ones, guys. A little bit more harder, definitely somebody that's been around for a while that wants to keep bumping themselves up. That's what's all basically in that library. And I was trying to put all the really fun and easy ones into the paint club. So I have over 50 videos in there now, and definitely it's growing and growing, and my pages are definitely growing, and which again is still a problem for me. So with my website having to upgrade to have more memory cost me way more, and the amount of usage, you know, I'm not blaming you guys, you know, there's a lot available out there definitely that you can jump on for learning different ways of doing things. And so I had to really look at the past history of all what I learned about this your feedback, most importantly, through the years, struggles that some of the students have had trying to navigate, maybe going away for a little while and coming back and forgetting passwords, and just so many different things that are issues that you're trying to work around to help people. So trying to make my site easier has been my biggest challenge, trying to get you guys to be able to find everything. And but there's so much available. That's the problem. I have been doing this for quite a while now, and I have loads and loads of old courses that have been around that maybe some of you new guys have not even seen yet. So I've been going through my YouTube and trying to clean it up a little bit, trying to refresh some of those old videos. I do have a new editor now that I've been using, so I've been trying to do the best I can with some of those favorites. I know some of them have been really liked by a lot of people back then. And so yeah, I've definitely been revamping some of them, and also some of those ones that have been in the club are now going to be moved to the YouTube channel. All right, and then the links are going to be put in the Facebook group that I've made it, and I've changed the name just recently. Hope some of you guys might have noticed some of the changes going on already. I've been testing the waters and seeing if you guys are going to like it. And then trying to organize my group a little bit better so that you guys that love Facebook, you don't want to sign up to another platform. You don't even want to sign up to YouTube. You can watch all of everything free, but to subscribe or to comment on anything, then you have to sign up to YouTube, right? So just like my site, you got to sign up to that too. So yeah, getting around to all of this in a good and bad way. Like I said, I'm trying to find other solutions. I have definitely looked at all of my options, and what I can personally afford right now too is the biggest thing. And my Google Drive, even to be able to save the videos for you guys to download, is like 88% full. And it's coming up to the yearly renewal for that as well. And I have to upgrade again. All these fees, unfortunately for me, to be able to give you all these bells and whistles haven't been cheap. And being in Canadian dollars, that I have to buy everything is way more expensive for me because everything is in American dollars. And I've been trying to keep my site in Canadian dollars. And I do have quite a few wonderful students across Canada that have been jumping on my program, loving that my site is in Canadian, and abroad too, over in Australia and UK. Definitely the dollar valued currencies are all different all over the world. And but I have to say probably 80% of my student base is in the States. So, again, all these decisions, do I charge in American? Do I charge in Canadian? All of these things have been an issue through the years of trying to make decisions on how to build this site. So with that, I want to kind of tell you like a little bit of the bad part of it is that the site is going to be having a drastic change. I won't be paying for it anymore. I promised you guys lifetime access. It's very, very heavy heart here because this is my baby. I've been growing for so long, and to let it go, I think, has been my struggle. But I think it's also been holding me back too. Right? So I've got to embrace the change, and times are always changing. Things are definitely always moving in different directions. I'd love to, someday be able to offer membership channels on my YouTube too, but I don't have enough subscribers. So there's all kinds of different things that are kind of holding me back too. And financially, definitely the site has to, all the bells and whistles have to go. I won't be able to have those paid pages anymore. And, but I still will be able to send you an invoice for any of the courses. You'll still be able to have access to watching them on another platform or download them. Right? And I need your help, guys. I really do. The ones that have been around for a while and have these courses, if you've been depending on my site and you really can't download them, you really don't want to lose them. I know a lot of you have saved them and downloaded them. You're over them. You're onto something new, and you don't really care about the old stuff because you've already learned and you're growing. But some of you new people definitely don't want to lose some of the access that you've had. Please message me. That's all you have to do is message me. Let me know which courses that you're concerned about. I still have my list. I can tell who has what. on my, you know, I've been making a lot of notes and making sure that I've got, you know, everybody that has signed up to, especially my big series, which some of you have seen too, that I have made groups on Facebook to put all the videos there. So you guys that can't download them can go into the Facebook group. You're already a member of Facebook. Everybody loves Facebook. And then from there, you'll be able to access the videos and then download the PDFs that you need to print your practice sheets and your patterns and your whatever you need off of that PDF. You can print directly off of my Google site. So definitely downsizing the amount of videos that I'm holding onto my Google Drive is going to help me. Then I'll be able to still just house all of the pattern packs, e-packs, PDFs, whatever you want to call them. All the information that you need is going to be in this printable form that you'll be able to access still one way or another. And I'll have to send you a link. You'll have to email me, and I will have to send you individual invoices again. All right, so I got a little spoiled with my website doing it all for me. Live events, I'm going to have to keep notes like the old school ways and definitely send you out all the information in a bulk email. All right, so there's a lot of people that are doing it that way. They've been doing it for years, like Miss Donna. And so old school is still good. And I'm going to be resorting back to that way. And then, like I said, I want to, as a thank you to you guys too, for being around and being patient and understanding for this big change. Definitely, you guys are all going to vote us still, you know, one way or another. I'm going to be putting all those videos out, all the really fun and easy ones are all going to be free to watch on my YouTube channel. Okay, you can find them up in the features tab. Okay, on my cell it's featured, and it's on other, if you're on a desktop or laptop, sometimes it's called announcements. Facebook keeps changing that title, but everything will still be linked in there. And so that way you can look through the list and remind yourself where videos are there too. But definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's all organized for you there too. There's the full list of fun and easy class videos right there, all in a playlist for you, and you can just scroll down the list, all right, and see which video you'd like to paint with. Many of them don't even need patterns, right? They do have all the step outs and all the practice sheets that I might have, or like the full supply list, you know, all organized for you in these PDFs that I'm grateful if you want to jump on them. But yes, some of them will need patterns, so I appreciate, you know, any kind of support through my YouTube channel. Definitely, I'd love to see that grow and get you guys painting. I'm one of the biggest things that I'm sad about is that I'm not seeing you guys, the few people that have been jumping on my courses, I'm not seeing you guys post your finished work on my group. You know, I'm really hoping that you guys will start doing that and share with other people, you know, your experience with the project. And then if you're having any problems at all, guys, definitely send me a picture where you're at. Send me a picture of where you practice. If you've jumped on any of my classes or programs, I'm there for you one way or another through Messenger, or you can definitely jump on my meet and greets at the end of the month. I'm still going to be doing those. Right, you guys, I'll be putting a link in somewhere, or you guys will be able to message me for the link, and join me on Zoom the last Tuesday of the month. That will be 7 p.m. Eastern time, and we're there for about an hour, and we laugh a lot. We share some of our experiences, some of the projects that you're working on, any of the stroke work that you're having a hard time with. Definitely, that's the time to jump on that free Zoom and troubleshoot any problems that you're having with anything, guys. I'm here for you to help you with anything related to one stroke, right? If it's available on Donna's website, then I most likely have it. I've already practiced it. I'm up to date with all her techniques and everything she's got aboard of her wonderful programs that she has that I can help you with, right? So if you're ready for your level 1, 2, 3, oversized, definitely. I did my big lilies. Okay, this is one of the designs that you can pick from the oversized selection. She's got a bunch of them there. You can create your own if you want. And I'm there for you guys, you know, every step of the way to be able to get that done and get your oversized certification done, right? And then through the years, I've also done Redo, which is so much fun, guys. I'm allowed to do that certification now too. And I would love to be able to do private one-on-one classes with you guys with these big certs. They're definitely level 1, level 2, level 3. They're all one-on-one. And you're sending me pictures of your homework. We're meeting on Zoom. And you can, you know, point your camera down at your work, then I can really see what you're doing. And as if I'm, you know, right there in person with you, as much as I can be. Okay, so definitely it works. I've been doing it for years now. I got quite a few students under my belt that have been really enjoying it. And I really, really, really love the honesty of some of them that have been telling me things aren't working. I've struggled with this. I really, you know, wish that I didn't have to do that part. Like, you know, just little stupid things about my website mostly. It's really confusing, and I don't know where to find it. And, you know, I've lost track of what I have. And, you know, so, like, again, there's all kinds of different reasons why I've decided to end my website. I can still have whatever's available to me free, you know, so I can have pictures there. And especially for, you know, the stuff that I sell, you know, my market stuff and paint party information. I can put pictures still on there to show which ones are available. But at the bottom, it will be now an email. So you'll have to, you know, hopefully the links will still work. And then you'll email me for more information, how to access what you want. All right, so it won't be so much click and automatic anymore. Unfortunately, I have to shut it down. Will be a new one eventually if I do find a more affordable solution to house, you know, more click and pay option, website style. Definitely, I'm going to keep my mind open and keep looking at opportunities, because like I said, I've been doing this site for about 6 years. There's so many more new platforms out there since I started with this company, so there might be, you know, another option that I just haven't looked into enough yet. But for now, I want to go simple and back to basics, and definitely to house anything that will be site access for you, lifetime access. We will be building Facebook groups now. All right, so I'm trying real hard here. I think I've done pretty good, because I kept saying I'm going to cry, I'm going to cry, I'm going to cry, and I hope you're not crying, because this has been a big decision. And thank you so much for coming aboard to check this all out. I try to make it, you know, quick and sweet. And I decided to pre-record this, so then that way I might have a little bit better composure and edit out anything that I don't like. But yeah, definitely, guys, meet me on Zoom last Tuesday of the month. If you need any help at all, please reach out to me. Just message me. I'm happy to help. Have a wonderful, happy creating day, and we'll see you soon, okay? I got more new ideas coming, and I'm not going anywhere, just my website. Big hugs.